Insert the nut through wheels. Slide the left and right rear wheels onto each side. Ensure both wheels spin evenly and are aligned. Attach the front wheel with pedal crank to the front fork. Fix the front basket to the handlebar. Insert the axle through the fork ends. Tighten securely with nuts. Tighten the clamp bolt firmly foldable footrests on both sides of the frame. Insert the seat support rod into the rear frame tube. Tighten locking bolt. Fix the seat base onto the support attached seat cushion and backrest using provided screws. Insert the rod into the rear slot behind the seat. Adjust height. Secure tightly with locking knob or bolt. Attach the U-shaped safety guard frame to the front of the seat. Lock it into the frame mounts. Insert the hood connector into the mounting slot. Insert the hood connector. Attach one end of the link rod to the front steering arm. Attach the other end to the link rod to the connector on the parent control rod. Align holes and secure with bolt. Attach the push handle rod to the rear rod. Align the holes. Tighten securely with the nut to ensure the handle is firmly locked. Attach the rear storage box under the seat. Install front light. Your tricycle is ready. Time to enjoy a smooth and happy ride.